Welcome to this video demonstration of ViPR SRM presenting Extreme I/O storage from EMC. One common challenge when using all-flash arrays, especially those doing data services, is understanding how much physical capacity actually exists on the array and managing trends when things like deduplication and compression are used in production. EMC's ViPR SRM is a powerful tool to accomplish this, with capacity trending and planning, performance trending, and also monitoring and troubleshooting of the entire environment, including EMC and third-party storage platforms. To begin with, let's take a quick look at the ViPR SRM interface. As you can see, ViPR SRM presents an HTML dashboard which shows us capacity trends and usage across the environment. Let's expand the enterprise capacity dashboard and start getting some trend information. As we dig a bit deeper, we can start to see where the storage is actually being utilized. We can do this simply by comparing used capacity and free capacity, or we can even dive into which particular workloads or storage types are trending higher. Now let's do some operations analysis. In the Operations tab, we can select Situations to Watch. These situations to watch might be capacity trends. They could be volume over-tiering or array over-tiering trends, or service level compliance issues. We can also select individual systems and compare things like performance, CPU, and memory utilization. Here, we'll check CPU utilization, and as it's a lab system, we see a number of virtual machines that are using high amounts of CPU. As we cut over to the memory utilization, I see two hypervisors that are not using high amounts of memory, but it is a situation to watch. Another useful tool is to see LUNs with the worst performing response time. This is very helpful if we're trying to track down a storage platform that might not be well suited to the workload that we've placed upon it. Now, one issue that administrators often run into is decommissioned hosts, or orphaned LUNs in the storage array. With ViPR SRM, we can quickly look for allocated LUNs with no I/O. In this case, again, there are many of these, as this is a test dev and lab environment. Forecasting capacity problems involves tracking capacity usage over time and then compiling that into an easy-to-use format. This is another area where ViPR SRM really shines. Under my planning usable capacity trend, I can see how much free and used space I have. But I can also break this down by file system and see the trend on individual file systems. In this case, this file system has greatly increased over the last several weeks. The SRM forecasting interface allows me to see volumes that are approaching 90% utilization, as well as those that are already over or well over 90% used. One of the real benefits to ViPR is the ability to look at capacity trends and performance trends across multiple platforms. This can be against physical, virtual machines, or the entire hypervisor stack. Here I'm looking at the data store capacity distribution for this system, but we can also look at systems that are approaching 90%. Here we have a particular file system that is going to hit 90% at a predicted Thursday, August 18th. This is very helpful information when trying to plan expansion of file systems or migration to more appropriate storage platforms where we may be able to benefit from deduplication or compression. I also have the ability to run fairly detailed reports and what-if scenarios. The what-if scenarios can take into account migrations, pools changes, and capacity trends. Another valuable tool is the ability to aggregate physical elements in the storage infrastructure, such as storage controller CPU usage. In this case, let's dig into our Extreme I/O array and find out our CPUs and how the health is. As we can see, there is a trend that one is approaching 90% utilization. With a few clicks, we can also see if storage capacity systems are constrained and what the actual usage is of those systems. So as you can see, ViPR SRM is a powerful tool for storage administrators, especially those using all-flash arrays, to manage and monitor used and unused capacity, and also reclaim space from volumes that may no longer be in use. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out EMC.com for more information on ViPR SRM.